What is the best, Waterpiks or the flossing? Most people know to brush and floss their teeth regularly. However, many people have a question about whether the water flossing is an alternative to traditional flossing. Brushing the teeth is an effective way of removing food plaque from the surface of the teeth. However, it is not a great way to get rid of the food that is in between the teeth or below the gum line. The process of flossing uses a thin piece of string that is passed in between each of the teeth. This string gently scrapes up and down each surface of the tooth, move plaque and food particles off of the tooth and out from under the gums. There are several advantages to traditional flossing. It is a very efficient method of removing excess food off of the tooth. Floss does not cost much money, and it is easily accessible from any pharmacy or grocery store. Flossing is quick and easy and can be done anywhere. Despite many advantages of flossing, there are several disadvantages as well. They include difficulty reaching some areas of the mouth with the floss. Flossing can cause minor bleeding, especially if it's not done regularly. Floss sometimes can be difficult to handle by some people. Even with these negatives, it is still important to floss regularly. If people find the flossing especially difficult or painful, they should check in with the dentist to make sure that there is no more serious problem. Water picking is also known as a water flossing and is different to traditional flossing. Water picking utilizes a special machine that directs a stream of water into a mouth and gums rather than scraping the teeth to remove a plaque. Water flossing uses the pressure of the water to massage the gums and push the food away from the teeth. Water picking has many advantages. A water pick is easy to use, especially with the people with the braces or other type of dental work like permanent or temporary bridges. Massage action can also improve a gum health and reach areas that cannot reach with the traditional floss. There are many disadvantages to use water flosser as well. Water picks can be expensive to purchase and will need space for storage, access to electricity and water, making it difficult to use outside of the home. Now the question, which one is the best? Which of these two techniques is the best is an outgoing question, and this really is no right answer. The most important thing is to clean between the teeth and under the gum each day. A study published in Journal of Clinical Dentistry compared the efficiency of the water flosser to string floss using in combination with the manual toothbrush. The researchers found that the group who used the Waterpiks had a 74.4% reduction in plaque as compared to 57.7% reduction in a group who used string floss. Other studies also found that people who used Waterpiks saw a greater reduction in gingivitis and gum bleeding as compared with a string flosser. However, many dentists and hygienists still recommended string flossing, either in addition to or instead of water flossing. Thank you for watching.